Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Lepro LampUX Smart Strip Light LED and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do a hard reset if the lights are not responding to the app, or they're not connecting, or they're not working right. A lot of this troubleshooting stuff can be fixed just with a hard reset. So just keep in mind, once you do this, you're going to have to set it back up because it's going to reset it to its default factory settings, and everything will be forgotten. But what we need to do is just go ahead and turn it on. And once the light strip is on, we want to wait like at least 10 seconds. And once the 10 seconds is up, we can come in and on the controller here, the middle power button, just press and hold it for 5 seconds. And after pressing and holding it for 5 seconds, you'll see the lights will blink. And that means that the light strip is resetting. And once it resets, you can go ahead and reconnect it and reset any of the parameters and everything like that, that you want, just like it was a new light strip.